Hi, my name's Roger. I'm the product promoter for technical chemicals at Wurth. Today I'm here with Wurth Australia to talk about our Rost Off Plus. Conventional products in the markets are equipped with either graphite or PTFE. Graphite or PTFE actually can separate in the formulation so that you have a layer of solid product, graphite and or PTFE on the ground of the bottle, and the rigorous shaking of the can is necessary before the application. Our Rost Off Plus instead is equipped with an organo-molybdenium compound, and you will not see any separation in our product. But how does this organo-molybdenium compound actually work? This OMC2 molecule, actually, if you think of a joint and you look at it under a microscope, okay, so those rusty particles are like mountains. They appear like mountains. And the OMC2 compound actually is laying into those cavities, and that enables less friction of the two surfaces against each other. So if you have those cavities filled with this OMC, then you have a kind of a lubrication film, which enables you to open the joint much easier than if you wouldn't have it. Rost Off Plus, the product of choice for any extremely corroded and oxidized connections in auto, truck, agro machinery and other equipment. In case of any questions, don't hesitate to call Wurth Australia or leave them in the comments. Rost Off Plus, ready for work.